Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to bring out your USB cord wire right here. So what you need to do is to make sure you insert the USB port mount, this particular mount right here, insert it into your PC and connect it with your phone. How do you do that? First thing first, you see this particular USB port mount right here, insert it on your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it right here. So once you insert it, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring out your phone. So right here, so I'm going to go ahead and unlock this phone first. Unlock the phone. So once you unlock the phone, then insert this particular USB port right here in the charging point. So insert it this way. Once you insert it, then it's going to give an indication of phone charging. So what you need to do right here is to swipe down this way. Once you swipe down, make sure you look for charging this device via USB. So tap on that, tap on it again, and this is going to pump up right here. What you need to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on File Transfer via Android Auto. Click on that, then enter your lock screen key. So it's going to automatically connect to the PC, and then you're going to have a valve pump up on your laptop. So just like what you see right here, this simply means that this particular phone here has been connected to the PC. Then we have the phone file internal storage pump up on the screen, just like what you see right here. Now, how do we transfer photo from our laptop into this particular phone right here? So what we want to do here is to go ahead and locate where you have the photo on your PC. I'm going to open up this particular folder right here. Then I will go ahead and take a look at some of the picture I have right here. Pictures. So right here, so this particular picture right here, I'm going to send it into my phone right here. So what we want to do here, so what thing you need to do is to make sure you select the particular phone that you want to. So first thing first, what you need to do, once you select the particular photo that you want to transfer, next thing you need to do is to right click on the photo. Having right click on the photo, next thing you need to do is to go to send to. Then you have to make sure you go ahead and click on the particular phone that you connect with the USB cord. So you are going to see the name of the device right here. So this phone here is Redmi A3X. So click on it, and this here is going to pump up. Allow everything to move. It's that simple. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and look for the photo on my phone right here. I'm going to exit from here now. Then I will go to my file manager right here, my file manager. Then having opened up my file manager, I need to go ahead and check the photo that was sent